everyone. I hope you're doing really good. This is Roshan Mariam from the Executive Office of LawSeco and Skill Arbitrage, here to teach you something really incredible. Now, before we start, tell me, have you ever ordered food from an app? It could be Swiggy, Zomato, whatever it is. And let's say they've messed up your order. What do? Don't you go on their help section and register a complaint? And when you're doing that, in the initial stages, a bot replies to you, right? It gives automated replies and it tries to solve the problem for you. And if it doesn't happen, it hands it over to a human executive who then sorts your problem out, correct? The initial bot part is what's called as a chat bot. And today, you and I are going to be building one for a real business. Now, you might think, okay, why do I need to learn a chatbot? Right? Think about this. Every business, it could be a small boutique or a bakery or a big real estate company, a tech giant, whatever it is, have to answer to customers, correct? What's the price of this? What's the estimated date of delivery? What about your refund policy, return policy? These are questions that every business, regardless of the industry they work in, get on the regular, right? And answering them again and again takes up so much time of your day. And if you miss a message, you lose a customer. But what if they can have a 24/7 assistant that's not only going to answer these questions, but it's going to answer effectively and instantly, making the customer feel involved and wanted. This is where the chatbot steps in and helps the business owner out in not just staying organized, but also coming across as professional. And by having a chatbot, the business owner has a major chunk of tension relieved. And by knowing how to build a chatbot, you become the person who gives the business owner that relief. So now you might be wondering, are people actually looking for someone who can build a chatbot? Let me show you what actually is happening in the market. See, this is Upwork. We've got an assignment wherein they want to build an OpenAI custom GPT bot for my chat GPT 5 or a chat GPT 5 bot for a business automation plan. And guess how much they're paying? Anywhere between $15 to $35. Wow. And see, we've also got another chatbot, email automation and chatbot assignments, which is uh, which pays you 7.5 to $10. And these are like recent postings. This was posted 59 minutes ago. Again, we have another AI agent development posted 1 hour ago. Chatbot again posted 1 hour ago. So the opportunity exists. The only thing is you need to know how to tap into it. Now you might think, oh, chatbot sounds like a big deal. I might have to spend money in making it. Let me break this myth for you. You don't have to spend anything. The tool that we're going to be using is a free tool and it's very easy to navigate. You don't need any tech knowledge or, prior AI knowledge to work this platform. I, for example, I'm a lawyer by profession. I don't have any tech background whatsoever and I'm not tech savvy at all, but it was so easy that anyone can work it. You just have to follow the visuals and all the links and prompts will be sent to you. Don't worry. All right. Now, the tool that I'm talking about is called Landbot. Landbot. So all you have to do is go on Google and type Landbot. And the first link that comes up is the one for you. Would you look at that? This is the homepage. What I want you to do is click on Try Landbot for free and it will take you to the homepage. So ideally, you're supposed to log in with your Gmail ID and password, but I've already done it, so it's letting me get in by itself. Cool. Now, do you see this page? I want you to go to Bot Builder. Do you see the small robo icon? Click on that. Here's where we build our chatbots. And click on Build a Chatbot. Now, it's asking us if we want to build a chatbot for a website or for an app like WhatsApp Messenger or something. The one that Swiggy has is an app bot, right? Now, I want to build one for a website. My idea is to teach you how to make a chatbot for a company's website so that people who go on the website talk to the chatbot, understand what the business is, and then place an order, avail their services, whatever. Perfect. Now, once you clicked on web, it's asking whether you want AI to build a bot for you, or you know how to build one so you can start from scratch, or you have an existing bot that needs to be revamped. Now, I told you I have no tech background, so I can't go for the second and third option. I'm going to have AI build it for me. Now it's asking you what kind of a bot are you building. You have two options. You can either choose from one of these. You can, it's if you are doing it for an e-commerce company, you can just click on e-commerce, and would you look at that, LandBot automatically gives you the prompt that you'll need to use also. Or if you don't want for any of these existing options, like for lead generation or lead qualification, and you want to do it for some other company, let's make a chatbot for skill arbitrage. All right. Now, here I don't see skill arbitrage as an option. Now, what prompt will I give, right? That is a headache of its own. Do you think you have to sit and think about what prompt to write here? Absolutely not. You go on ChatGPT and have ChatGPT write the prompt for you. All you have to do is say, I'm making a chatbot for skill arbitrage. Just put skill arbitrage's link also. Okay, this is the link. Whatever company you're making it for, you just add the hyperlink also so that ChatGPT can understand what sort of a business it is. Through LandBot. Understand the business and give me a simple, ready to use LandBot prompt within 100 characters. Now, why did I say give me a prompt within 100 characters? Because in LandBot, the maximum characters is, sorry, not 100, 1,000, my bad, 1,000 characters. All right. Now, would you look at that? See, it's giving us a prompt that I can just directly copy from here. Go on to LandBot, paste it, and click on generate. That's it. That is my work. Now, I did this for skill arbitrage. You can go ahead and do it for any of your clients. Would you look at that? The chatbot's already generated. See, this is the entire flow of how the chatbot works. See, this is called as the flow. Now, this is your initial message. When people come on your website, this is what they're looking at. Okay. This message looks a little off to me. What are you looking to do today? No, hi, hello. You can just edit it. Hi, I'm skill arbitrage. What are you looking to do today? Now, this looks like a better thing. Similarly, you can edit all the buttons mentioned over here also. You can add a new button or you can delete a new button, whatever works best. All right. Now, let's just quickly run this bot and see. All right. Let's just see if it's actually working, shall we? Just click on test this bot. And the first button is to start the conversation. Hi, I'm Skill Arbitrage. What are you looking to do today? Let's say I want to sign up for another bootcamp. It's asking us what bootcamp are you interested in? Let me just put remote freelance. Now it's telling me the steps that I have to follow to sign up for the bootcamp. Now, let's say you want to ask some other query. Okay, I'm just going to refresh, start the conversation again. I'm going to choose another option and show you what it works like. Let's say you want to learn about how skill arbitrage helps with global talent, like hiring globally. Okay. Now I clicked on that and it's giving me the answers that I want. Now, what happens is when a customer comes on your website and he understands everything through this chatbot, he gets instant replies, instant answers. They'll be more inclined to whatever it is that you're offering them. All right. Now, cool. Now, the next question you might have is, all right, I understood the chatbot part. It's very easy to build, but how do I send it across to my client? I'm making this for someone else. How do I send it up? How do I send it across? Right? That's the next question. Now, what you have to do is, do you see share over here? Just simply go on share and you have two options. You can copy the code and send it across to your business or send it across to your client and their developers can embed this in their website. Or you can go to share with a link and share it as a link. All right, whatever works best for your client. You can also send both if you want. That's completely fine. And that is how easy it is in today's day and age to make a chatbot. Now, we understood three things. We understood what a chatbot is. the actual demand for a chatbot out there, and how to build a chatbot. Now, the next thing I want you to understand is how can you find companies that actually need a chatbot? That's there, right? Upwork is one way, that's fine. But another way to find out companies that require a chatbot is yet again going to our chat GPT and having it find companies in a certain area that requires our help with the chatbot. See, it's very simple. I'll give you the prompts and everything. All you have to do is paste it on your chat GPT and explore. All right, cool. Now I'm gonna say, I want you to find me 10 restaurant. You can put any businesses. I've just taken restaurant as an example. I want you to find me 10 restaurant businesses um you in London. You can put any place also for that matter that do not have a chatbot. Give me their email ID, LinkedIn, and website in a tabular. Now, what ChatGPT is going to do is it's going to go ahead and find you 10 businesses in London that don't have a chatbot. Again, you can go for any businesses. I just used restaurant as an example. If you want to go for a salon business, more than welcome to do so. If you want to go for a real estate company, more than welcome to do so. Whatever business you feel like you want to make a chatbot for, you can do that. And there is no prior experience or prior knowledge required for any of this. I've never worked in restaurant industry, but still I'm equipped enough to make a chatbot for them because I have AI and I know how to work it in my favor. Now tell me this, was this very hard to do? We just had to click a few buttons and AI did all the heavy lifting for us. Correct? In today's day and age, working AI is as simple as using WhatsApp. That's how easy it is. So whenever you're tasked with working with AI, don't let that intimidate you. It's the easiest thing to learn in today's day and age. And would you look at that? In under 1 minute, Chat GPT gave us a list of 10 restaurants that don't have a chatbot in their website. Do you want to just open randomly and check if they actually don't have a chatbot? Let's just go to Sketch London. Now, for you to identify whether or not a website has a chatbot, you need to first understand what a chatbot looks like, right? Let me show you that first. I know of this website that has a chatbot, so I'm going to show you that quickly. See, this small bubble that you see on your on the corner, this is what a chatbot looks like. Now, coming back to our restaurants list, okay, let me just copy this. Would you look at that? There is no chatbot. I don't see a bubble, anything. So you can help them with it. Also, one more thing, guys. Let's say there is a chatbot in a website. I want you to try it out and see if it's actually working. You know, sometimes what happens, websites do have a chatbot for the optics, but it doesn't work. So in those cases, what you can do is you can go ahead and tell them that you will help them revamp their chatbot and make it efficient. All right. Now, perfect. I found out a restaurant that doesn't have a chatbot. So now what's the next thing to do? I have to tell them that I can help them with a chatbot. Now, do you think I'm going to sit and think of a message that I can send them or an email that I can send them? No, I'm going to have ChatGPT craft that as well for me. I'm going to say, I want to reach out to Dinner by Hasten. That's the website that we just opened. And pitch them my services of creating a chatbot. Write me an email outreach. Perfect. All that is left to do is take the output that ChatGPT is giving us, copy it, paste it on your Gmail, and send it to Dinner by Haste. And we got their email and everything. All right, let's just quickly go see what the email looks like. Shall we? Okay, it's given us a subject line. Perfect. Hi, team. I hope you're doing well. I'm reaching out because I've been studying your journey, and I noticed that you can elevate your experience further through a custom AI powered concierge chatbot. See, perfect. And it's telling how chatbot can help them with their business. All right, perfect. And then it's also asking us to ask for, and it's also giving a 5 minute quick calls requisition so that I can go ahead and talk to them about it. Cool. All you have to do is put your name, number, LinkedIn, whatever it is. It's as simple as that. I want you all to go try this out, make it for a company, and tell us at the bootcamp what you did. And the bootcamp is happening on the 6th, 7th, and 8th December 2025 from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. every day. I will see you in the next one.